song is 3 big cheers. We go 1, 2, 3. And while we're singing 3 big cheers for Kocurek. Next, we sing It's the School That We Love, and we put our hand over our heart. The next movements are bow ties, effort, and quality.
The next one is We Are the Koalas and We'll Make You See.
The next motion is we have the school as the winner, and we flex our muscles like this.
Our fame will spread far and wide.
The motion after that is Kocurek. So to do it a bit faster. The last motion is koala pride. And that's it. But please don't clap at the beginning.
And now we'll do the whole song for you.
Thanks, Sound Girl.